severe adverse effect after the BCG vaccination, patient can develop the osteitis, osteomyelitis, long bone are affected. In this, role of surgical intervention plus role of anti-tubercular drug also. So we have to start the anti-tubercular treatment also, and also surgical intervention is required. In anti-tubercular drug, mainly we have to give the HRE plus, if required, streptomycin. No role of pyrazinamide because it is not effective against the Mycobacterium bovis. Now another severe complication is disseminated BCG infection. So to label the disseminated BCG infection, there are 3 criteria which should be fulfilled, then only we have to label. So first is isolation of Mycobacterium bovis from either blood culture or any other side, example from the bone marrow or from other organ. Second criteria is patient is having the involvement of 2 organs far from the site of the BCG vaccination. So involvement of, there should be evidence that involvement of at least 2 systems which are far from the site of the BCG vaccination. Third is patient is also having the systemic manifestation, example having the fever, weight loss, anemia, or sometime patient may die because of the severe BCG adverse event, which is the disseminated BCG infection. So all 3 criteria should be fulfilled, then only we have to label the disseminated BCG infection. And in such case, we should rule out that patient may be having the any primary or secondary immunodeficiency. So we have to rule out all these: HIV, severe combined immunodeficiency, or patient may have the other condition in which immunodeficiency develop. So these are the complication or adverse effect following the BCG vaccine.